What's going on, everyone? This is Jason at SportsBoxBreaks.com coming to you live on 8/27/2021. I'm doing a hit recap from our 2021 Panini Certified Football 4-box break number 4. Guys, we're gonna encase all numbered cards, relics, autos, all of that. So let's take a look at a bunch of the numbered cards here. Here we go. Christian McCaffrey, 249. Deshaun Watson, 299. We got a dark horse to 149 of Aaron Rodgers. Dobbins, 249. Eskridge, 299. 149 Justin Jefferson. 199 Asante Samuel Jr. 299 Roquan Smith. Hunter Long, 249. 249 Patrick Mahomes. Amon-Ra St. Brown to 75. John Bates to 399. Najee Harris to 99. Felipe Franks to 249. How about a beautiful Trey Lance to 299. Rashawn Slater, 399. 199 Matthew Stafford. Russell Wilson to 99. Travis Etienne to 149. 249 Aaron Rodgers. 199 Justin Herbert. Devonta Smith Roll Tide, 249. 249 CD Lamb. Other numbered cards here. How about a purple eBay 101, 10 out of 10, Larry Roundtree. Teal to 50, gold team Stephon Diggs, and a gold Kadarius Toney to 25. Let's do relics. Michael Thomas, 299. Red to 99, Tyler Johnson, piece of the game. Dual relic. Certified Gamers, Marcus Colston to 249. And piece of the game, Roll Tide, Damian Harris, 249. All right, more relics here. 149, Pat Fairmouth. 2-2 Atwell, very nice patch. Blue to 99. Goes great with the Rams card there. How about a nice Kellen Mond to 25? Kellen Mond to 25. And Davis Mills to 199. Let's look at autos. Here we go. To 75, Rico Dowdle. To 40, Trent Brown. And to 45, a little Amon Green. We got this thick card here of Jalen Phillips to 50, a teal. And it's for Miami. Relic autos right here, $4.99. You got Fairmouth again. And $149, Chuba Hubbard. Forgot about these over here. The 2021 special, Zach Wilson, a Trevor Lawrence, and a Trey Lance. How about a Terrence Marshall Jr. to 50 here? Nice patch. And last but not least, was our last hit though. In this break, to 99, a little Jalen Waddle, orange, 3-color patch RPA. All right, guys, that'll do it. Again, we're certified on the site right there. Check it out.